With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that when an electric current is passed through a cell having an electrolyte, then the cations and anions move to their respective electrodes. If the cathode is pulled out of the solution, then option 1, both cations and anions will move towards anode. Option 2, cations will start moving towards anode while anions will stop moving. Option 3 and anions will continue to move towards anode while cations will stop moving, and option 4, both cations and anions will start moving randomly. So in this question it is given that when an electric current is passed through the cell of an electrolyte, the cations and anions move to their respective electrodes. So we have to tell if the cathode will be pulled out of the solution, then what happens, right? So let us consider a diagram here. Suppose we have here a beaker, and in this beaker we have an electrolyte and two electrodes are immersed in it, right? And these two electrodes are connected with a battery. So this is the positive side of battery and this is the negative side, right? Now basically the electrode which is connected to positive side of the battery, it is assumed to be positive, and this electrode is known as anode. And the electrode which is connected to the negative side of the battery, it is known as cathode, having negative charge on it, right? And suppose here we have an electrolyte Ma. Suppose we have the electrolyte Ma. Now Ma will dissociate to form M positive and A negative ion. Now anode is positively charged. So basically the anions which are negatively charged, they will move towards anode, right? Because ions will move to the electrode having opposite charge. So M positive ions will move towards cathode, right? Because cathode is negatively charged electrode. Now in question it is given, we have to tell that when cathode will be pulled out of the solution, then what happens? Now when these two electrodes are immersed in the solution, they are completing the circuit. Due to which there will be migration of ions. As you can see here, what happens? A negative ion will migrate towards anode. Now let us see what will happen at anode. Now A negative ion will migrate towards anode, so oxidation takes place. So A negative will lose electron and form A. And at cathode, reduction takes place. So at cathode, M positive ions will gain one electron to form M. So there is movement of electron from anode to cathode, right? Like this. So there is movement of electron from anode to cathode. Now when we pull out the cathode, in that case circuit will break. Now when circuit will break, there will be no charge on electrode. Which will be left, right? Because charge on electrode is due to the terminals of the battery. Anode is assumed to have a positive charge because it is connected to the positive terminal of battery. When circuit will break, there will be no charge on the electrode. When there will be no charge on the electrode, the ions will migrate randomly. Ions will migrate randomly in any direction. Right. So if we look at the options, in option 4th it is given both cations and anions will start moving randomly. So this will be the correct option here, right? This will be the correct option because there will be no charge on electrode and no reaction will take place. When cathode will pulled out, this reaction will not take place, and due to this, the reaction at anode will also not take place because ions will migrate randomly. So here option 4th is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.